Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add bullet point and number list in Google Doc. So for you to add bulletin or number list in Google Doc, here is how you can get it done. So you have two methods in which you can add bullet or number list. First one is you can add it to already typed document, or you can add it before you type the document. As you can see in this video right now, I actually have some documents on my paper, so I want to add list this. I want to add list to this thing on the screen right now. I'm just going to highlight it. Okay, highlight it. You can see they are highlighted. Okay, move stuff from here. Then I'll go to format, then under formats, then I'll click on bullet and numbering. As I drag my mouse on it, then bring out some option. Then right here I have the first option, which is number list menu. Right here I have some bunch of number list menu which I can use, and also I have the bullet list menu where we have the bulletin point and some other bullet, and here I have the checklist menu, which is good. So I'm just going to use the number list as an example. You can also apply the same method to the bullet list or checklist menu. So I'm going to pick the number list. So I'm going to use this particular example. Once you already highlight the letters you want to add bullets or you want to add number list to, just click on this option or any of this option. Once you do that, then the number will be added automatically. And if you want to delete it, just write on the number and put the backspace, and that's it. Find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.